The 10 easiest states to become a notary. Hey, I'm out here in California. My state didn't make the list. But if your state made the list, you will have no excuses to get your small business up and running and start making some cash. Your clients are waiting for you. So I made a list here. Let's see here. If you've been thinking about becoming a notary, this is your time to shine. These places have no exams, very low fees, and you get started pretty fast at a low cost. So let's see if you made the list. Counting down from number 10, one of the places I like to visit. Oh, by the way, I'm Mr. Rogers. All right. But one of the places I like to visit is Georgia. Georgia is considered one of the easiest states because there's no exam required. You typically have to apply through your local county clerk office. Remember, if you do it online, your local county clerk office, provide ID and pay a fee. Then within a few weeks, you probably receive your commission. That's what they say, according to the National Notary Association. All right, boom. Are you in Atlanta? Are you in Georgia? Let's make it pop. Let's get it. Let's make that money. Coming in at number 9, a place I've never visited before, is Maine. Maine has a straightforward process. No written exam. Submit an application. Provide references, which is a little different than I've seen before, but there must be someone who likes you, right, out there in Maine. And pay a small fee. This is huge. Once you're approved, your commission, your assignment lasts 7 years, which is probably the longest out of all the states. Ours in California only lasts 4 years as of this test date. This video date. Coming in at number 8. Never been here either, but I hear it gets pretty cold out there. You can let me know. By the way, what state are you in? Put it in the comments. Tell me what state you're in. Tell me if you made the list. All right. Coming in at number 8, Wisconsin. Wisconsin is very easy. No exam, short application, submit the paperwork, and I'm adding this, and you need a bond in Wisconsin, just like you do in California. You need a bond, all right? Oh, you see my t-shirt? Success is a decision. Decide to be successful. Come on, let's go. All right, you're gonna need a bond. And once you have all those and submit your paperwork, you're good to go. Coming in at number 7. Are you on the list so far? Put in the comments if you have. Coming in at number 7. I have some relatives who lived out here. Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania's in the house. Requires an application, a background check, but the process is still considered pretty easy. There is a short educational requirement, but no test. And the process is pretty streamlined. It's pretty easy from what's been reported. Most applicants are approved pretty fast, and you're good to go to start your small business in Pennsylvania. Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't even say small business, your new business in Pennsylvania. Because some of y'all might do this and end up making $50, $70, $80, and $100,000 if your hustle is right. Okay? It can be done. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, if you like what Mr. Rogers is sharing with you, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to the community, or at least leave a comment saying, hi, Mr. Rogers, or whatever, okay? Coming in at number 6, a state that's always on the news, whether it's for weather, whether it's for politics, whether it's for, weather, politics, and beautiful sunshine, is Florida. Oh, and real estate. Florida, no exam. That's pretty cool. You complete the application. You got to get a bond in Florida, like I said on the other one. And you have to purchase a notary seal, like we have to do in California. Many people do the process. They're done. It's pretty straightforward. Good to go with your small business, notary business in Florida. Coming in at number 5, a place I've never been, but I've heard good things about it, is Alabama. Alabama is one of the simplest application processes. You apply through listen up, Alabama. You apply through the county probate office. No exam required. All right. Once you've submitted that and paid your fee, it's done pretty quickly from what I understand. Coming in at number 4 in the Carolinas, South Carolina. Again, no exam. Complete the application. Pay a small fee. All right. Not like California, always a big fee out here. Pay a small fee. receive the commission after it's approved by the Secretary of State. Just like out here, Secretary of State. Coming in at number 3. Have you been on the list so far, by the way? If you have, drop it in the comments. We're almost at number 1. I love it. The easiest places to start your new business as a notary. Coming in at number 3, Indiana. Indiana allows applicants to complete the entire process online. No written exam, just like the other one. That was my criteria for making it easy for you. All right. Approvals usually very fast. All right. If you know anyone who's a notary, talk to them. They said that this is done really quickly. And have you subscribed? And also in the description, I got something called Buy a Cup of Coffee. So if you want to, keep me going, keep me hyped, keep me making more videos, go ahead and buy Mr. Rogers a cup of coffee. Come and get at number 2 is Tennessee. I'm aging myself. You guys don't know that song. Tennessee from back in the day. Tennessee is another one with a simple path. All right. Apply through who? The county clerk's office for Tennessee. No exam required. Pay your small fee. Once you're approved, you're up and running to start the business. Of course, then you will need your equipment and all those. That stands for all the states. You're going to need certain equipment like any business would, right? Your business cards. I don't know what else. Just see it. Your notary seals if necessary. But the bottom line is Tennessee is number 2. And coming in at number 1, a place known for, I think, Ben & Jerry's ice cream, Vermont. Vermont is considered one of the easiest states to become a notary in the country because it's just so quick. It's just so easy. And the price of entry is super low compared to other states. So what this means is there are no excuses for you to start your new business. Your clients are out there. They're waiting for you. They're ready to pay you money. I don't know about your state, but I know in California, every real estate transaction has to have a notary signed off on it. You better find that out for yours because that might be money waiting for you because homes are still selling. Not as fast as they were, but they are selling. Weddings do. Wills needed. I know a lot of things, not all you want to go to jails, but sometimes at the prisons, they need people to come in and do some notarizations. All right. So make your money. Let's see. What's the last thing I could tell you? My name is Mr. Rogers. I teach people how to pass the notary exam quickly and easily. In my other videos, I'm going to teach you how to make a ton of money as a notary. So look out for those other videos. I trust you. I know you'll do well in this business, and I'll see you next time.